Monday, 24 February. Got a woodpecker once again up in the tree at Last Word Ranch. Yeah, off it went. The top of that tree is quite barren, so obviously there's something for it to get. Monday morning, 24 February. One of the scrub jay pair, Mr. and Mrs. We're not sure which one this is yet. Well, there's the other one. I suspect it was the male went down, so this should be the female. She's not doing her little dance.
Was that hot? Happy girl.
Whoop. Shove that down in the ground. Yeah, bury that puppy.
Okay, we have both Freddie and Fluffy here this morning. We're heading towards their feeding area. Freddie had come all the way down towards Mr. and Mrs. Blue Jay's feeding area. So before he got there, I met up with him and convinced him to go back the other direction. Okay, Red-tailed Hawk on a fence post on the hillside between Whispering Hills Ranch and the Last Word Ranch. This is probably part of the pair that are nesting in the redwood tree west of Lutheran Church. He may be out looking for more twigs, or maybe he's looking for breakfast. Hard to say. And he has his back to us. And in case it's not been done yet, happy Monday, February 24th. Okay, we're at Freddie and Fluffy's feeding area. Jace put down the treats. He waited until I was done doing the video of the red-tailed hawk. Okay, Freddie's gonna go over and start eating breakfast. And Fluffy's gonna finish eating the treats. She do like her treats. It's okay. Whoa. whatever you did. That's Buddy. We're at Buddy and Brenda's area. This is Buddy, who just buried his peanut. Second peanut. He's gonna go bury it too. Back again. Up to the fence. Head off. Okay, Buddy's back again. And Brenda went to the fence. That's Buddy. That's Brenda. Come on, Brenda. Come on, sweetie. You can come down and get a peanut. Come on. Brenda. No. We have a turkey vulture on a utility pole over on Calaveras Road that borders the Whispering Hills Ranch. We also have overcast morning, so nothing to really illuminate him much. Kind of just dark bird. Okay, we have red-tailed hawk on the bare branch tree on the hillside behind Alviso Adobe Park. We don't see its mate. We have seen two in this area of recent. He is over there. And kitty cat met us at the front of the park. And we don't see Casey Sparrow today again. Yeah. Okay. Jay's put down a little bit of food in case Casey Sparrow shows up. Normally by this time, when we've seen him, he's hopping around and pacing and waiting for kitty cat to be done with his breakfast. And, maybe off doing something else. He's a good boy. Yes, you are. Kitty cat, the birds are serenading you while you have breakfast. And red-tailed hawk is still on the bare branch. Overcast morning with no sunshine is not helping because it's not illuminating things. Hey, over there. And Jay's giving kitty cat treats. I'm sitting at the picnic table over near the where the songbirds are at, eating the birdseed. Okay, Red-tailed Hawk is back on the bare branch. He had taken off sometime after I'd stopped doing a video of him, and I looked back up and he wasn't there. Well, he's back. Don't know where he went. Don't know when he came back, but he is. And we're getting ready to head on home. Okay, that's Winston. Jay put down cat treats, and he's going to go bury it. Well, we'll see if he'll come back for more. Jay just corrected. I thought it was cat treats. He said no, it was cat kibble, dry food.
Looking at us.
Yeah.
Like, where's the peanuts?
Like, it's broccoli.
Uh-huh.
And to hell with it. Okay, I'm going to put peanuts down. Okay, Winston was waiting for the peanut. So across the street. Down. Bury the peanut. Winston's back. Another peanut. Okay, we're back at Freddie and Fluffy's area. While we were walking here, there was a couple out walking the opposite direction, and Freddie was doing his escorting, leading us. And they said, "Oh, that is just so cute, walking the cat." Yeah, it is cute. You guys aren't doing a very good job with your breakfast of late. He's a good boy. And she's a good girl. Okay, we're going to leave him.
Up above the hillside, up above Old Calaveras Road. Got a red-tailed hawk just gracefully circling. And lost it behind the trees, way up there.